Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my crispy orange chicken. Chris and I first had orange chicken on a trip to the US in Panda Express many years ago, and I just knew that I had to recreate it at home. So this is my version, on the table in 20 minutes. We're going to start by making the batter for the chicken. I'm going to make a light batter using 90 grams or 3/4 of a cup of plain all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, 90 ml or 1/3 of a cup of cold water, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Mix that all together till it's combined. Take 8 chicken thighs chopped into bite-sized chunks and dredge them in 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch. Then add them to the batter. Now add 1/2 cup or 120 ml of vegetable oil to a wok or to a large frying pan and heat over a medium to high heat. Whilst the oil's heating, we're going to make the orange sauce. This is super quick and easy. We're going to start by squeezing the juice of 2 oranges into a bowl. Then we add in the zest of 1/2 an orange, 6 tablespoons of castor or superfine sugar, 5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, and a teaspoon of rice vinegar. And mix all that together. Now that oil's nice and hot, we're going to add the chicken to the pan and fry it until nice and crispy. Should take about 9 or 10 minutes, working in about 2 or 3 batches. Once the chicken's cooked, remove it from the pan with a slotted spoon and place in a bowl with a couple of pieces of kitchen roll to soak up any excess fat. A good way to check the chicken is thoroughly cooked through is to take one of the larger pieces and slice it in half. It should be steaming hot and completely white in the middle. Now remove that oil from the pan, turn down the heat to medium, and we're going to add the orange sauce. Bring it to the boil and let it simmer for a couple of minutes until it thickens. Then add a little bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken if needed. Just a tablespoon of cornflour and 2 tablespoons of cold water is fine. Add the chicken back in and heat through for another couple of minutes so the chicken gets coated in that lovely orange sauce but remains crispy. Then serve the orange chicken with boiled rice and a sprinkling of sesame seeds. That's my orange chicken, way better than takeout and on the table in 20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious family-friendly recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.